Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. The podcast that looks to energize and refocus you to get out there and chase your dreams. Happy New Year to you, and here's your quote for today. You are your only limit. Here we go again. Brand new year, brand new mindset, and ready to go once again. 365 days are right in front of you to go and absolutely smash your goals to pieces and look to try it and make all those dreams of yours come true. Stay focused, work hard, and chase down everything that you truly deserve. Good luck out there. You've got this.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.